क्षमापूर्णं जगद्गुरुं वन्दे परमहंसाख्यं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम् आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम् आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्।
How do we build the consideration of social return into every conversation and every decision at every level in the organization? Judy Smith, look inside. What is social return? It is nothing but looking at the life with a larger picture. Understand? See, if you build your house, you call it as a selfishness. If you build a road, you call it as social return. But you don't understand, without the road, house is useless. So what is social return? Nothing but looking at the life beyond 120 degree. See, 120 degree is the normal vision. If you look at the life 240 degree or 360 degree, that is social return. Nothing else. So don't think social return is some great, compassionate, sacrificing, serving, great selfless attitude. No, relax. First thing, understand, thinking with the consideration of social return is intelligent way of thinking. It is intelligence which makes you consider social return. It is not morality, it is not religious quality, it is not ethics, nothing. It is just intelligence. Learn to look every contribution of your life with the whole picture. For example, if you are a manager in a company, try to understand the whole responsibility of the company towards humanity. What this company is supposed to contribute to the humanity. Have the whole picture and fit yourself with it comfortably. Have the same attitude in every decision. Then naturally, whole company will have the same attitude towards the society. That's it. Understand? Consideration of social return is not some sacrifice, service, or ethics. Why don't you understand? It is just intelligence. Many times you think consideration of social return is something like you do a big service, favor. No. Maybe you can use that word to market yourself. I call it corporate compassion. New word I am creating. What is the corporate compassion, you know? You shave his head, take his hair, sell that, and don't even give him little oil for the head, and you say, I shave you because only then dandruff will go from you. It's a treatment for dandruff. And that poor fellow believes it. That is what I call corporate compassion. Please understand, consideration of social return, the very word shows you are also from the pattern of corporate compassion. No. Compassion should be very raw, pure, innocent. I tell you, raw, pure, innocent compassion is intelligence. When your compassion expresses in its pure, raw form, innocently, it is tremendous intelligence. What do you mean by saying the word consideration of social return? No. The word seems to be like a big sacrifice. I tell you, looking at the larger picture and working, considering the social return is an intelligence decision. It is not compassion decision. Judy Smith, the whole organization, your whole organization need to understand, please understand, decision of your intelligence, not the decision of your heart.
Inner awakening, stunning health recoveries, 100% cure for depression, insomnia, asthma, fatigue, chronic pain, insecurity, panic attacks, and other major disorders. Awaken the Kundalini Shakti, the dormant energy within. What would you do if you had 1300% more energy? A disease-free mind and body is your first wealth. Claim it at Inner Awakening. Inner Awakening, a 21-day meditation retreat with rare living incarnation, Paramahamsa Nityananda. For more information, please contact Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 7760980635.
Hi, I am Jay Joshi. I'm going into 8th grade. I decided to come to Inner Awakening because my brother thought that this would be a great experience for him and my family. At first I didn't know if I should go because it was a really long time and I really wasn't into spirituality, but now, as time went on, I thought I would give it a shot. In Inner Awakening, we learn a lot about yoga, kriyas, meditation. A lot of the stuff is based on your inner expansion, such as the awakening of your Kundalini. On the first day, while we were doing the Pratiksha Paduka Pujan, I was just doing the puja, and I noticed that some people were hopping. And on the first day, I was wondering what was happening, and I was a little bit scared. But later on, I figured out this was the immense power that you would awaken from awakening your Kundalini. Throughout these 21 days, we learned how to do yoga and various other techniques called kriyas. These help us enhance our meditation and help us expand on within ourselves. That way we can also expand spiritually. For Inner Awakening, it's mostly for adults, but I thought that I would try Inner Awakening because my brother and my father were in Inner Awakening. But if you think that you would want to go to more of a school-based program, Ingenious is also a good program for kids who are my age or a little bit younger. So this program is not only for adults or for children, it's for a variety of people, and I really think anyone who even hasn't gotten into spirituality should give it a shot. Thank you.
Please understand, decision of your intelligence, not the decision of your heart. Because you think it is decision related to heart, you still have oscillation. No, should I do it or not do it? How much I should do it? How many rupee I should do it? How many lakh I should spend? No. Social consideration is the decision from intelligence, not decision from heart. The whole, how this whole, each company is a whole, which is supposed to fit into the whole of the whole. The whole has many holes. In each hole, each company as a whole should fit in. How, as a whole, you are going to fit with the whole? A boss is expected to feel how he should be knowing the whole purpose of the organization and the responsibility of the organization. Same way, if the whole team understands the purpose of the organization and responsibility of the organization, that itself is enough. It is enough. Nothing else is required. Understand? The enthusiasm, energy, and experience of larger vision, larger responsibility itself is enough to make you do the decisions based on consideration of social return. You don't need to infuse compassion, because intelligence itself will make you do every conversation, every decision at every level with the consideration of social return. You don't need to do anything separate.
The next question is from Siddharth from Bangalore. He's asking, my parents disapprove of my career choice. How can I do what I want but also keep a happy relationship with them? Is it even possible?
Question. My parents disapprove of my career choice. How can I do what I want but also keep a happy relationship with them? Is it even possible? Siddharth. If you want my honest answer, the parents need to understand kids should take the risks in their life. Parents are expected to be a safety net when the kids take the risk, not the stopping nuts. A real father or mother should not be continuously a stopping nut. Don't do, don't do, don't do, don't do. The song of don't do, don't do. Come on. If you are a parent, if you feel your child is taking a risk, your son or daughter is doing something on their own, in their career choice, or anything related to their life's decisions, many times about job, marriage, love affair, so many things. Don't constantly sing the song of don't do. I tell you, when you are not letting your child to take some risks in their career, you are completely destroying the self-confidence and understanding and responsibility of the child. Your son or daughter, their way of expanding is always taking responsibility. See, when a child grows, it will try to taste everything, anything it sees. I remember very clearly when I was growing up, it's a village house where I was born and brought up. They will paint that village lime. I still remember. I'll apply that lime as a vibhuti in the morning and put little in the mouth and taste. It will be very tasty. Child tries to taste everything. That is the way it starts growing. If you give a toy, it will put it in the mouth. That is the way it knows how to feel it. Same way, when you grow up, you try to experiment with things. When the parents start singing the don't do song, the possibilities of the children is completely destroyed. One thing I neither heard in my life nor ready to listen in my life is don't do. I neither heard from my parents nor ready to listen. This don't do. Parents need to understand. You need to give a space for your kids to experiment, to play with life. If you really have concern, be a safety net. Take care. Even if they fall, they are not damaged. You are there as a support. That is the responsibility of a parent. The problem is, let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bangalore 562109. Contact 097422033311. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.